My name is Ankit Mehta. I've been at Appian for 6 years.
I have been at Appian for 7 years now.
I've been at Appian for over 8 years now.
And I've been with Appian for 5 years.
Chennai is my hometown, and I'm actually happy that our office is going to be located in Chennai as well.
I'm from India. First of all, that makes me happy that Appian is opening an office there. India is a growing economy, as everyone knows, right? And they have this vast pool of talented engineers and people.
I know the kind of amazing talent that India has to offer.
I'm actually glad that Appian is tapping into that market to bring those talents in. Appian's culture stands out to me. It's the best that I've experienced.
The culture is great here, right? Even growing from 200 to 600 people, like 3 times the size, we haven't lost that feeling of community and collaboration, right? The institutions we have, especially in engineering that I can speak to, right, help all of us work in a collaborative manner, right? And then work towards impact. As our CEO always says, right, we don't just work here to finish a task, we work towards impact.
I work with really wonderful people, amazing, smart people.
And I feel it's a great opportunity for the engineers in India to experience it now.
See my story of where I started, where I am, my career progression, my personality progression, the work-life balance, the latest technology we work with, all those things are something that anyone would like to be in an environment like. I never had a second thought about why I'm at Appian.